YouTube? It's your girl Nisha with 2 A's back at it again with another YouTube video. And today I am going to be reviewing this product that I ordered a while ago. It's from Hollywood Hair Bar. I did not open the package yet. I want to open it with you guys. But as of right now, I will be uploading a new Instagram tutorial on my hair page at Nisha Got Curls or whatever. And I will be uploading another YouTube video on here today. I'll be uploading the same video from my Instagram on here. But what's different about this video is I am going to be reviewing this product and putting it in my hair, actually see how it works and showing y'all the process or whatever. So my hair is a little messy because I just woke up like not even an hour ago or whatever, so I gotta excuse how I look. But I'm gonna take my hair out this ponytail, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna rinse all of the I'm gonna rinse all of the hair paint wax that I got in my hair out, and I'm gonna wet my hair and I'm gonna detangle it or whatever, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get out the shower. So y'all, I'm back and I'm out the shower, and y'all see my hair. It looked like I ain't got no hair, but y'all, my hair's actually long, so yeah. But anyway. So my hair is really still wet, especially at the top it's getting dry, but at the ends it's still wet. But I'm ready to open my package. Let me do my thumbnail, y'all. Right. It's gonna be one of them, but I'm gonna open it with this. Somebody called and they messed up my video. But y'all see I got a little better lighting from last time. Whatever. But the package, I opened it. What I like is they got bubble wrap inside. I could pop the bubble wrap later. And I love, like, the package is so pretty. So this is the bottle, guys. That is the bottle that I've been waiting for the longest, y'all. I done spent about $28 on this little bottle of oil that is supposed to work like Miracle Growth, but I heard it's way better or whatever than Miracle Growth. So we is going to start sectioning my hair off. I honestly do not know where my comb is, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so got a little better light. I'm gonna turn that mirror off. I got two mirrors, y'all. I got a mirror right there, and I got a mini mirror right here, and I got like a little extra another mirror like right there. It's zoomed in, so like I can like see up close. I'm not gonna use that, so I'm gonna just keep that away. But I could not find the combs that I normally use. My sister must have stole them, but we just gonna start sectioning my hair off and putting some of this oil in there, and we gonna see the growth. So we gonna remember that my hair was right here, so like a little like an inch down my collarbone. That's where we go. The front, like the front of my hair go just about to my chin. So if it's longer than that, then the oil does work. I'm gonna do a follow-up in 3 days. So since we got, I want to actually part it because I want it to go onto my scalp. Y'all, hold on. I ain't never been this excited about a freaking hair product, especially that cost me that much money. But I'm gonna go put that much on you. What is this little tube called? I don't even know, but I love it. Y'all. Y'all. next part. So put some of my edges too. So basically, I'm gonna come back once I did my whole hair to start my tutorial, okay, y'all? So yeah, I'm gonna come back, start my tutorial, and I'll be back. So basically, y'all, I'm done with oiling my hair. I did the first parts, and then I braided them so I can keep them out the way. And my little cousin, she oiled the back parts for me. So now I'm going to take these braids down, wet it with my spray bottle, and I am going to blow dry it a little bit, and then y'all see the rest. I'm gonna do like a mini short tutorial. I ain't gonna keep it too long.
Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this gang. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah,